How to add GIFs on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can add GIFs to your Shopify store. Now let's get started. Now the first thing I'm going to do is we're going to click on our products over here. I'm going to click on add products, and in this section this is where we will be adding our GIFs. Now over here, as you can see on the description, we have this button over here. We could click this and we would be able to enter a code wherein we will be able to import GIFs into our description. Now to do that, we're going to go to giphy.com over here, and this is where you will be able to get your GIFs. Now you're simply going to select the GIF that you like. For example, we're going to go with this one. And over here, we are able to see a close-up of our GIF. And as you can see here on the right side, we have an embed option. You're simply going to click this, and you would be able to receive a code over here. You could turn on responsiveness if you want, just like this. And we're going to click on copy code, and we're going to go back to our store over here, and we're going to paste it into this section and then disable this. And as you can see here, when we click on this, we would be able to add a GIF into our description. Now we're simply going to finish our product over here. We're going to do that and add a random media, just like that, and pricing so that we could add it into our store real quick, just like that. We're going to add one stock, just like that, and we're going to click on save. Now we're going to go back to our online store over here. We're going to click this, and in this section we're going to click on the three dots beside our theme and click on preview. Now over here we will be redirected to a preview of our store. Scrolling down, as you can see here, we have our product. We're going to click this, and as you can see here, we have the GIF that we have chosen from Giphy over here. And that's it guys. That's how you can add GIFs to your Shopify store. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.